Hey there, welcome to today's video. So let's talk about a common problem that many users encounter when using the winget command. The problem arises when trying to update applications using winget and you come across numerous packages with unknown version numbers. This can be quite frustrating, especially if you just want to query those unknown packages instead of updating them. Now, onto the solution. To address this issue, you can leverage the power of the winget list command along with filtering the output. By using the command winget list, where object $_match unknown, you can specifically target and list all the applications that have unknown version numbers. This simple yet effective command allows you to focus solely on those packages without versions, giving you the opportunity to inspect them further without initiating any unwanted updates. In summary, when faced with the problem of dealing with unknown version numbers while using winget, you can easily overcome this by employing the winget list command in PowerShell and filtering the output using the provided command. This enables you to isolate and view the list of applications with unknown version numbers, offering you a more controlled approach to managing your app updates. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the video. See you next time.